Hey guys, it's Sherry here from Mother Daughter Crafting. I just wanted to show you the process of how I made, I think, a really cute scene for Christmas. Now, I'm not an artist. We have several artists in my family, but I'm not one of them. I am, however, a crafter and I love to do it. And it's really fun to pick these transfers to help me create an artistic scene for Christmas. So I used about 3 different transfers. Some of them current, some are from years before because they're reusable. The transfers I used, and this one is current, is Life, Story, Home. I use that for the houses. And The Magic of Christmas is a current one, and it has Santa, sleigh, and the reindeers, and the Magic of Christmas. Build a Snowman, I believe, was last year's. But anyway, it's just fun to go through your transfers because you can collect quite a few and pick the scene. I started with the houses. And when I had The Magic of Christmas, I thought, oh, I could just see Santa and his sleigh going over the rooftops of the houses. So that's what I started to do. And then I wanted to add all the snowflakes, and I got that from Build a Snowman. Now, the main key of doing this is to make sure the chalk paste is dry before you put anything else on top of it or next to it. Fuzz your transfer. They are sticky, so it takes a little bit of the stickiness off. You can use a hair dryer too if you want to speed things up a little bit. So that's kind of the process that I did, and I just kind of build it little by little. I did speed this up because you really wouldn't want to sit there and watch the paste dry, right? So anyhow, have fun and enjoy. I'm going to turn the music on. Merry Christmas.